In my never-ending pursuit of tin buildings, fabricated wood structures clad in tin, I come across these two wonderful examples. The one on the right, if I take a symmetrical look at it, you're able then to work out the angles of the building. Now this is quite a wonderful building. It has overhang either side. It almost goes back to medieval buildings where the size was increased with an overhang. The overhang was achieved with two metal. It appears that the cross members were reinforced and two metal outriggers were added. And then an angled sanction was then added to attached so that it held the uprights in place probably, and to secure them to in effect the plate. It's difficult to explain but almost self-explanatory when you see them. This is a lovely example. Make a fantastic, as it was, it's a builder's warehouse. And I thought I'd end it with this beautiful lily garden that sits opposite. You're able to overlook it.